But if you think about Nigeria itself, it's an open prison.
It is an advice.
I'm sure guys you are wondering why we're in court today. We came to the Federal High Court to do the hearing of a challenge against my arrest and detention in 2019. So we came before Justice Egwatu, and as I usually do, I defer to our competent lawyers to discuss what happened in front of them, just witnesses of the dramatic hearing that took place in court. So, Marshal Abubakar, please.
Well, at long last, we're having a closure to the unlawful, trepidational, and harassing arrest and attack on the comrade of the people, General Omoyele Sowore, 6 August 2019, where he was picked up in a Gestapo manner in Lagos State and Wisdom to Abuja here. The court finally heard the fundamental rights suit instituted since 2019. Today, well, argument has been made, marshaled from both sides. The people's advocates and the government, and the matter has been adjourned till 21st of March 2022 for judgments. So hopefully on that day, we should have the ultimate victory we expect. Inshallah. Yeah. By Ogun grace, never that
and just so that you understand it, what started with some confusion for the public in 2019 has now become the order of even the government. They are now borrowing our terms called revolution, but in this case in a very dubious way. To describe the rice they stack together, the fake pyramid of rice that they put somewhere in Abuja, that we heard was seized, they were back from rice that was seized by Nigerian customs. So there's nowhere in the world, there's no country, serious country in the world that is producing rice, that stacks them up on the streets, put them in silos. And if you are actually producing rice, you know, the very simple logic of demand and supply says that if there is huge supply of rice, there should be a drop in rice, price of yes. But you have stacks of rice, but there's hunger on the street. And they are calling it a revolution. And the people are hungry. So they are provoking a revolution by lying about what the revolution is about. But what is important also in this court case today was how confused the state is. Their lawyers could not remember dates. One of them cited the wrong citation. The judge had to say that it didn't even exist. So you can take it that the government does not exist because it's just a fraudulent system. But we're happy that we continue to make our points everywhere. There's no definitive assurance that we will get justice all the time in their courtrooms. They will control the courtroom. So what will be on record is that we made a very strong case that we are not going to be accepting slavery in 2022 or 2019 or 2020, 2021, any time for that matter. And that those who are responsible for our pain must be brought to shame and eventually brought to partition. So they labored very hard to make the point that I was being tried for treason. But they haven't been able to try me for treason. The judge who was handling it has already absconded. We are before another judge. In fact, we are before this same judge for my rearrangement on March 1st. And the same judge has to listen to their lives about the reason for my arrest. And they haven't been able to prove it. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not under any trial right now because I've not been properly arraigned again. Yes. So that's where we are. I just want to thank all of you. Keep listening, keep watching, and keep paying attention to next steps that we are going to take. There's no going back at all. No going back. No retreat. No surrender. Revolution. Now.
Take it back.
Nigeria, they use computer. The leaders of Nigeria, they use radio where they turn the knob.